The 2021 tax season is going to be very challenging for a lot of people. There's still a lot of folks who haven't gotten the stimulus payment. There are people who got the payment but didn't get everything that they were owed. Millions of people were unemployed, and many of them don't realize or didn't realize that income is taxable. If you're trying to call into the IRS, it's going to be a long wait. If you can imagine, they have a staff who has to social distance, and then they're still dealing with a tax season last year that was extended to the summer. So there's going to be a tornado of issues for this tax season. So many people assume or think that the stimulus payment is going to be taxed, but in fact, it is not taxable income. So if you got all the money that you would do for yourself, or if you had qualifying children, you do not have to pay taxes on that money. Line 30, the second page of your 1040, is all about the stimulus payment, which is called the recovery rebate credit. So on that line 30, if you didn't get your stimulus payment for whatever reason, or you say got a partial payment, or you had a child in 2020, you claim that credit on line 30. If you got all of your money, you do nothing. You don't put anything on that line. It's your money. You're free to go. File your return like you normally would. There are so many people who moved someplace else during 2020 because of the pandemic. Maybe you moved in with your parents, then your lease was up and you're like, I'm out of here. Or you just relocated for safety reasons and you work from home. So if you're working in one place and your company is another, you want to be very careful to look into whether or not you owe state taxes in the place where you used to be before the pandemic. Check with a tax professional, or any of the tax software will probably guide you through this. Many people don't realize that the stimulus payment is an advance credit that's based on 2020 income. And so you may not have qualified for it for your 2019 or 2018 income. So now you lost your job, you have less money. If you qualify, you meet those income thresholds, you can claim the stimulus payment on your 2020 return, absolutely, because it's actually based on your 2020 income. File anyway. If you work out your tax and you think, oh my gosh, I cannot pay this bill, there's no point in me filing my return. Don't do that. There is a penalty if you don't file your return and you owe the government. So definitely file a return and pay whatever you can, even if it's just $20, pay. The fact of the matter is, the IRS has payment plans for you, and they can put you on a payment plan so that you can pay that tax debt. Although this is sort of going to be a tornado tax season, try to get professional help, either through software or a tax professional. And the earlier you do it, some of us like to procrastinate. And I'm telling you, this is not the year to procrastinate. And you've got to pack your patience this year. 2020 is all about packing your patience, because it's going to be a hot mess for a lot of people.